Well, let's now talk about how we can change the xticks and yticks font size. Now we have also another font size parameter that is present in plt.yticks to change the yticks. These are called the yticks. The numbers here are called the yticks and the numbers here are called the xticks. Okay, so we can change the font size of that. Here in the previous you can see that these numbers are not changed, right? The font size is not changed, but here you can change the font size using the font size parameter. Here I have given 20, so let's run this. You can see that this is the font size. Now you can change this size also. Let's make both of them 10 and see how it's different. See, you can change the size using the font size parameter of plt.yticks and plt.xticks. Now let's come back to the axis part. An axis is an artist attached to a figure that contains a region for plotting data and usually includes 2 or 3 in case of a 3D. Axis objects, be aware of the difference between axis and axis, okay, because I already mentioned that both are different. Okay, now let's directly come into the plt.figure part and how to create the axis. Now you can use plt.axis. Now these parameters are used for here let me tell it from you. Here in axis 0.1, 0.1, 0.8, 0.8. So what does it refer? The first 0.1 refers the distance between the left side axis and the border of the figure. So it's basically the padding, like how much border you want to give and all that. The window is 10% and the border of the figure window is 10% of the total width of the figure window. Okay, so border what is saying is that the difference between the left side axis and the border of the figure window is 10%. In this way you can refer to the last part also. The second this 0.1 is also refers to that only. The first 0.8 means that the axis width from the left to the right is 80%, and the latter 0.8 means the axis height and from the bottom is 80%. Okay, now you can change these values also to see how it affects. Let's make it 1. Let's make it 1. The figure will shrink, I guess. See, the figure got shrinked. Okay, so let's make it 8 and here also 8. Okay. Now see. Okay, so here you can add axis, that is also another part 0, 1, 1. Here you have just changed the. Here you can also use the add axis part. Here it is the axis directly, and here you can use the add axis to add the axis dynamically.